I was thinking about a drawing that's really out there, a spaceship. What do you think? First, we are going to draw a curve like that. Okay. Now, on the other side, coming down, it's going to be the same thing, coming down the other way. And then at the bottom, we're just going to put a straight line. That's okay, yours can be a little curved. Now next, I'm going to put a little thing like that. See there, that gave you a good chance to straighten it out. All right, now this part is fun because you can do it however you want. I'm going to put the fins on the bottom, and they're going to come out here and then come down here. And then the spaceship's going to sit on them. All right, so here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to make a big old curve like that. And then on the other side, do the same thing, but the opposite direction. See that? Now, come up. It's almost like upside down horns. And do it on the other side. Good job. It's looking good. Now, what does our spaceship need?
Windows.
Windows. What should we do? Should we do one window, 2 windows, or 3 windows?
3.
Okay, 3 windows. I'm going to have my windows going straight down. So we're going to go right in the middle. We're going to draw a circle at the top towards the middle. There's one circle. Okay, let's do it right down below it. Put another circle. Oh, I see what you did. You're jumping ahead there. You put a little border on yours. That's awesome. Now let's do another circle. I'm going to do it the same way. Great. That's awesome. Now at the very top, I'm going to put a little nose cone on it. I think that's more for a missile, but this is a rocket ship. I think you can have a nose cone on a rocket ship. Oh, you added the nose cone. Huh. And then, let's see, what else could it use?
A frame on the top here.
You mean like a needle?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's add a little needle at the top. Long, pointy piece. Oh, with the little antenna. Okay, I know what this needs.
Fire.
Exactly, fire. And if you want, you can make the fire noise with your mouth while you draw it. Oh, you made your own little thrusters. Nice flames. Let's make our rocket ship blast off into space. Now, I think I want to show the rocket ship coming off of the Earth. And I'm going to have the Earth behind it. Okay? So I'm going to make a big line, sort of like a part of a circle that goes like this. And it's going to come up. You can do yours. That's actually what I meant to do. Okay. And then up here, I'm going to put a moon, or it's a sun, or whatever you want it to be. And then here out in space, we can put little dots for stars. Only on the top part. Ooh, you put texture on your planet. I think I want to put some texture on mine too. Just put some little squiggly lines going across. Oh. The student has become the teacher. Cool. Now down here, I was going to make some swirly clouds. Or maybe they're continents on the Earth. I really like this. Looks really good. What do you think? Now, you ready to color? Let's do it.